What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. Now, if you're looking to add a little more comfort and a little more flair to your John Deere Z9 mower, then this is the video for you, as we're going to be adding on the Arm Rest Kit to this mower. Now, on your Z9s, when they come with the nicer seat here, you are going to have the fold down armrest, but what these are going to have is just a hard rubber armrest here. But if you want to add a little bit of extra comfort, you do have the option of going with this nice foam padded kit here that is going to match your seat. And the part number on this is going to be BUC10649, and it is super easy to install. Now, to do the install on this, all we're going to need to do is flip that armrest up to where we can have our two bolts exposed that hold our existing pad on. And then what we're going to need is a 3/8 socket to take these off. We're just going to zip out those screws that are holding that pad on, just like so, and then we can get rid of that old pad. And then with your kit of your new pads here are going to come a couple of bolts here with these washers. These are also going to use that 3/8. So the next thing that we need to do is just go ahead and get our new pad, get it lined up here. Go ahead and start both of those bolts by hand. We just need to tighten those up. Then we go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And then just like that, then you have a super plush, comfortable armrest here that matches the rest of your seat. So this is not a necessity, obviously, for this mower, but if you are looking for that extra comfort, these are a nice place to start. Remember that part number on these is BUC10649, and if you're looking for these along with any other John Deere parts, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. Also, be looking on our 247 Parts channels for all other types of attachment installs for these mowers and others. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.